Hi everyone, in this video we are going to cover the following topics: ground improvement techniques, introduction, what is the need of ground improvement techniques, objectives and applications. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vinay, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. Introduction. Soil is a mixture of sand, silt and clay, so it is a heterogeneous mixture. Ground improvement refers to a technique that improves the engineering properties of the soil mass treated. Usually the properties that are modified are shear strength, stiffness and permeability. What is the need of ground improvement? A structure should be designed by considering the properties of ground at the time of formation, at the starting of the project, and possible changes might take place to the ground during the design life of the structure. The following images shows the failures of ground. What are the factors responsible for ground alterations? Here are few: effect of water seepage and surface erosion, vegetation, temperature variation, vibration, construction operation and etc. So ground improvement is needed whenever we encounter poor soil condition at the site, such as loose sand, soft clay, high organic deposits or dumped heterogeneous materials, where there is a lack of good quality granular materials needed for the construction of dams, embankments, roads or foundations. Today most of the lands are subjected to urban or industrial development. Therefore, good construction sites are difficult to find, and the soil improvement techniques are the most frequent and the best option technically and economically. Here an important question arises: what we are achieving from these ground improvement techniques? So objectives of ground improvement: increases in the strength and reduce erodibility, reduce distortion under stress, reduce compressibility and control shrinkage and swelling, control permeability, reduce water pressures, redirect seepage, reduce susceptibility to liquefaction. Applications of ground improvements: environmental geotechniques, understanding the environmental significance of geotechnical processes. Example: constructive use and modification of waste materials, stabilization of newly exposed soil surfaces, preservation of quality and flow patterns of groundwater. Contamination and constructive use of waste materials. Fixation of dangerous pollutants impact minimal strength and volume stability to the waste mass. So, example: use of high energy waste materials such as fly ash as a stabilizing agent for road bases. Metallic reinforcement and geosynthesis. Reinforced earth and synthetic fabrics are used in the construction of roads, railways, embankments and etc. Major functioning of these synthetics are filtration, drainage and seepage and reinforcement. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.